What's up, guys? MinuteMan Z here. On Friday again. Hope you like my shirt. I'm at AT&T Park, just chilling here with a bunch of yachts. AT&T Park right there. It's the back of it. I hope y'all can see it. She's a beauty. Yeah, but I'm just chilling here, watching some seagulls. Yeah, that's it. Got a seagull over there. Wonder what his name is. Or her, I don't know. Oh, she's not happy with something. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I wish I was a bird. Just fly wherever I want to. That'd be the life. Could just chill up top there. Or there. Just fly in the water. Man, I might have to go skydiving tomorrow or something, because just watching all these birds fly around, it's freaking beautiful. Beautiful looking bridge. Yes, sir.